Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tesha here. Today I will be taking off my acrylic nails. They've been on for about a month, so it's time for a new set. Now I'm just snipping off the acrylics just to get them as short as possible. I want to make the workload as easy as possible, and this is one of the best hacks if you're trying to remove acrylic, is to make sure that it's really short and really filed down. Alright guys, so at this point I've filed down the acrylic as much as I possibly can. You want to make sure that you file it down enough so that it's super thin and able to let the acetone to do its job, but not so thin that you are actually going to hit your natural nail. So definitely be careful with that. So now that we've done the prep work, we are going to put the acetone in a small bowl inside of another bowl, which is slightly bigger. The bigger bowl does have hot water in it, and this is just to speed up the process of getting the acrylic to come off of your nails. Having the acetone be warm when you are soaking your acrylic nails off is the most important step, guys. And when I tell you it cuts the time in half, believe me. After soaking my nails for 5 minutes, you can see that the acrylic is coming off fairly easily now. I'm using the hand file to go ahead and get off as much of the acrylic that has already come up as I possibly can. I will later on, after taking off that first layer, go ahead and dip my hands back into the acetone to go ahead and get off the remaining acrylic, just to make sure I don't miss anything. Once I know that the acrylic is completely off of my nails, I go ahead and clean up my nails by trimming them nice and even. I go ahead and push back my cuticles as well as buff them so that they are nice and smooth. Now that I've gotten my nails all nice and smooth, I go ahead and apply a coat of this Ruby Kisses nail strengthener. I really like this nail polish because I think it helps. If you've tried this before, let me know in the comment box below. Do you like it? Do you not like it? And what do you use after taking off your acrylic? Alright, so now we have the finished product. I just go ahead and add some cuticle oil and we are all done. Let me know if you guys have tried this method of taking off your acrylics before, if you like it, also what you expect to see from me in the future. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for watching.